Have you ever wished making videos could actually be fast, affordable, and easy? Well, that's exactly what VideoExpress AI is designed to do. At its core, it's an all-in-one, cloud-based video suite powered by artificial intelligence. So instead of buying expensive software, learning complicated timelines, or paying monthly subscriptions, you just make a one-time payment. And that's it. There are two options: the basic plan for $49 or the all-access plan for $179. And here's a tip. If you use the coupon code SECRET10, you'll get 10% off. The big idea is simple. Pay once and get a toolkit that handles everything from turning text into videos to creating talking or even singing photos, without those recurring charges that pile up over time. Now, what makes this different from your typical video editor is the AI. Instead of manually animating every little scene, you just describe what you want, and the system generates usable clips. That means a small business owner, a teacher, a content creator, or even a freelancer can pump out social posts, explainer videos, training clips, or short ads without needing to learn complicated software. And because it's cloud-based, you don't even need a high-end computer. Everything runs on their servers, and you just log in through your browser. There are also some creator-friendly features. No watermarks on your exported videos. Commercial rights, so you can actually sell or monetize what you make. A 30-day money-back guarantee if it doesn't live up to expectations. Plus, you get training materials, community bonuses, and integrations with other tools, like Artistly.ai, to expand your creative options. Let's talk pricing for a moment. The basic plan gives you up to 3,000 AI clips a month, perfect if you're creating on a smaller scale. The all-access plan doubles that to 6,000 clips a month and adds advanced features like talking photos. Both plans let you export in HD 1080p. Overall, VideoExpress AI is designed for individuals who seek rapid results, without technical complications, and without ongoing expenses. It's not trying to replace every pro editor or animation team. It's built for speed, ease, and affordability. And honestly, for a lot of creators, that trade-off is totally worth it. If you're curious to give it a try, don't forget, use SECRET10 at checkout to save 10%. And remember, you've got 30 days to test it risk-free. The link is below this video.